Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. Really only a short-term update here because larger time frames haven't changed and the market seems frozen. I mean, it's been frozen for the last couple of weeks really, to the degree that a lot of people are getting bored again, which is understandable. Quite crazy this cycle actually in crypto. Now ADA is just moving. It's just playing between the support and resistance levels essentially. Yeah. I mean, it's great. The levels we talked about, they are being respected. There is no break of resistance. There's no break of support. But what we actually want in a bull market, I mean, if we call that a bull market for many cryptos, it's not that clear. But in an uptrend, we should break above resistance at some point, right? And the resistance area remains currently between 67.8 cents and 71.8 cents. It was tested just this week on Monday. We got rejected and then landed in the support area, which is between 62.3 and 65.7 cents. So this is Fibonacci support. From there, we might start the next move up, which would then be a C-wave rally to the upside. So I think it's important to understand that this B-wave pullback could result into a C-wave rally if Jerome Powell is in a good mood today, because the pullback looks not impulsive, it looks overlapping, choppy, messy. Could really be that B-wave pullback, yeah. And if we now see some upside momentum, it might be the start of a C-wave rally. So essentially, yeah, wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. This would be the bullish scenario, the bullish pathway. If on the other hand, we're breaking below 62.3 cents, the first support area, it would open the door to a deeper correction. It might only be a marginally lower low, however, than in wave C of 2. In this case, I would pay close attention to the area around 55.5 cents. That's the 50% retracement level. Why? Because the decline in the white scenario can be an A, B, C structure, and an A wave and a C wave, they tend to have the same length, and that takes us roughly into that region around the 100% extension, and it's perfectly aligned with the 50% retracement level. So yeah, the area around 55 cents, 55.5 cents is going to be critical support. That's just a quick update. I mean, essentially, a lot will depend probably on today's Fed interest rate decision. It should be a 25 basis point decrease. But, I mean, there might be surprises. We'll see. It always depends on how the market reacts to the news. And there might just be a bit of volatility. Either way, we've now moved from resistance back into support. So I'm watching for an upside reaction from here. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.